This is one of the most rare Traxxas vehicles ever made. So rare, I couldn't even find a single YouTube video of it anywhere. In today's video, we're going to open the box and take it for a test drive. Well boys, I got on a Snap-on truck a little while back. I bought a tool. I didn't realize buying a tool in January entered you into a giveaway. Snap-on guys came in the other day, walked in with this and said, "Hey Gage, you won this." Little did they know, I happen to be a giant Traxxas fan, and I happen to know the Snap-on limited edition trucks are super rare. And this is one of the only ones in the country right now, and there's not one single video on it. So we're gonna do the unboxing of the Snap-on Traxxas 1950 hot rod step van. Boom. All right, so we'll cut it open. Oh man, I've never wanted it. It's so scary. It's done, can't go back now. All right, we have our standard Traxxas remote. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. Oh, look at that. What do we got for standard stuff from Traxxas? Here she is. It's all wrapped up, man. I don't want to pull it off. Yarr. Oh, now we're gonna have to cut it off. Oh no.
Come over here and put my greasy handle over.
Oh look, and they're even Snap-on. Look at that. Official sponsor. So if y'all don't know, right now this is worth roughly a little over $1,000. Oh my. I don't want to take the wrap off. It looks kind of like a 4.0 chassis. Look at that. Pretty standard Traxxas. Looks like the 4.0 chassis, kind of like the Supras and the Corvettes. Those wheels and tires though, those have to be only for this truck. Pretty fancy. Comes with a battery, Titan motor, nothing too crazy. Okay, let's see what we got underneath here.
Oh wow.
We do have front and rear working lights. We have, I'll take the wrap off to show you the cab. Oh man, this is, there we go. Just close up of the cab. I have a real cab. I believe that's the first time I've seen that with Traxxas. Steering wheel, seat, the amount of detail inside. You see the tools? Okay, now we gotta get it back on here. Throw a battery in it, see what we got. I like the easy clip of that body. Okay, swapped over to LiPo. Got a fresh battery for it. He acts like we're not filming. All right, turn it on. They really make these plug-in connectors short, don't they? We lit up?
Yeah.
Boom. Yeah, what are the chances it like breaks? No. Darn it. Oh my. Guess we'll go explore the shop carefully.
Stella comes and attacks it.
Oh my gosh. And it does donuts. So it's the Supra, just with a different body. That version of the Supra. He's badass.